Nestled within the breathtaking Swiss Alps lies the birthplace of some of the world's finest luxury timepieces. For centuries, Swiss craftsmanship has defined precision, innovation, and timeless elegance. Every masterpiece begins with carefully selected premium-grade stainless steel. Computer-controlled machining shapes every case to microscopic precision. Hundreds of miniature components are manufactured with astonishing accuracy. Synthetic ruby jewels minimize friction and ensure decades of reliable performance. Every gear is engineered to transfer energy with flawless efficiency. Hours of polishing create the unmistakable brilliance of a luxury Swiss watch. Each component is engraved and meticulously inspected before assembly begins. Now, skilled hands bring hundreds of precision-crafted components together, transforming individual parts into the beating heart of a luxury timepiece. The mainspring stores the energy that will power this remarkable timepiece for days. Each gear transfers energy with extraordinary precision through the movement. The balance wheel becomes the heartbeat of the watch, regulating every passing second. Specialized lubricants reduce friction and preserve flawless operation for years. Every movement is carefully adjusted until it achieves exceptional precision. The intricate movement is now secured within its finely crafted protective case. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal protects the masterpiece beneath. Every watch is rigorously tested to ensure uncompromising reliability. Only after passing every inspection is a Swiss luxury watch considered worthy of its name. Every completed movement undergoes rigorous precision testing to ensure exceptional accuracy under real-world conditions. Only watches meeting the highest standards earn final approval before leaving the factory. Each masterpiece is presented in premium packaging, worthy of generations of craftsmanship. From Switzerland, these extraordinary timepieces begin their journey to collectors and enthusiasts around the world. From Switzerland, these extraordinary timepieces begin their journey to collectors and enthusiasts around the world. Behind every luxury Swiss watch lies thousands of precision operations, countless hours of craftsmanship, and a timeless commitment to perfection.